Now that the sun came out, look at the sparkle of all the like shining diamonds in the snow. Again, it's untouched. No animals have gone through, nothing at all. But the sun isn't even penetrating anything to melt anything at this temperature. Last time I looked, it was minus 14 with the wind chill here in good old western Pennsylvania, and I just had to take a quick video for you to see all that shining and glimmering from the super frozen, I'm going to call it tundra. You'll laugh, but it is. It's crazy. It's really, really cold. And I guess that's it for now. I just wanted you to see how untouched and beautiful it looks, even though it's so cold. Thanks for watching.